Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you laptop freeze how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix if your laptop freezes, what you can do first is force restart. To do it, simply press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds and then simply release it and then press it again to turn it on. This clears the temporary system glitches. And next method is close unresponsive apps by simply pressing Ctrl+Shift plus Escape on your keyboard, and that will open up the Task Manager. Now select the app like Brave browser and then select End Tasks if the app is unresponsive. If you can't open up Task Manager, use Alt plus F4 on the frozen window. Then next method is disconnect external devices. Remove USB drives, external hard drives, printers and SD cards. Sometimes these peripherals cause freezing as well. The next is to check for low disk space by simply pressing Windows plus E, and on PC what you need to do is make sure the C drive has enough disk space and delete unnecessary files if needed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.